You sitting on them people job looking raggedy. Thought I was more prepared. Don't push me in no corner. You mad. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a part 2 to how to activate self-love. I hope you guys enjoyed the first one. If you have not watched part 1, I highly recommend before you start this one. We're talking about how to activate self-love, and it is 10 steps to do so. And I highly suggest that you stop the video now and go play part 1. Stop the video now and go play part 1 before you finish this one. So that's that. We're just gonna jump right into it. Part 2, starting with step 6. Exercise, feel good, you look good. So I will be lying to you guys if I say I work out 5 days a week, 4 days a week. I work out when I feel like working out. I do at home workouts, so you can always like find something on YouTube, pull that up, and it's literally your diet, and with exercising is pretty much 75% of what you eat. So working out, going hard, depending on what you want, but whatever type of workout that you do, running, walking, at home, going to the gym, just exercise, like, because you look good, you feel good. So number 6 is exercise. Number 7 is self-maintenance, your overall appearance. So this was like, yeah, back in 2016 when I wanted to start doing makeup and stuff like that, and I was like, well, I have to promote myself, so I have to wear my makeup and stuff. So just with self-maintenance, so I used to like just do my makeup every day. A lot of people used to look at me crazy and be like, girl, why do you do your makeup every day to go to work? Like, you don't have to get up and do. To me, it's therapy. Like, I would tell like my coworkers, my friends, everybody will laugh at me because I set my alarm, and still do. I set my alarm for 4 o'clock in the morning. Yes, 4 o'clock in the morning, because I'm the type of person, I used to procrastinate like crazy. Plus, I don't like to feel like I'm getting up and rushing to go clock in or go to a job, whatever it is that I'm doing. I don't like to get up and rush. I like to get up, have me a cup of coffee, do my skincare routine in the morning, take me a shower. Like, I like to take my time. I'm a girly girl, so I want to take my time to get ready. Self-care, self-maintenance. I would highly recommend that you make yourself be a bill. Like, whatever, your hair, your nails, your feet, make that a bill. A lot of people would say like, oh, that costs too much to get your hair done, or it costs too much to get your nails and stuff done. Make yourself a bill, because if you sitting on them people job looking raggedy, you finna be mad at everybody. You finna have an attitude with everybody. Listen, all of us have those days when you go to work and you don't rush because you late. Now you mad. You sit back, you mad. You got an attitude because you came to work looking crusty because you was rushing. No, so take that time out to pamper yourself, cater to yourself, make yourself cute, girl. You know what I'm saying? Do your hair, do your self-care. Number 8 is dating yourself. We have to fall in love with ourselves first, and you can't do that when you're already in love, and you know you're trying to love on this person on top of loving yourself, and you finding things out about yourself that with learning somebody else, it's a lot. It's life, because each month, each year is different. You learn something new about yourself, and just dating yourself, like learn how to be alone. And that's just like, even if you're in a relationship, have those days, not just going out, not just going to the nail salon by yourself, or obviously going to get your hair done by yourself, but no, like take yourself out on a date. Maybe go to the movies by yourself, or go sit at the, you know, restaurant by yourself, order you an appetizer or two, or whatever it is. Like, be by yourself. I'm telling you, it's very peaceful. It's very relaxing. Like, even when I was married, I used to do that. Like, I would just go out by myself and just, it probably wasn't to the movies or to a restaurant, but Walmart was my favorite spot. Like, I'll just walk around Walmart. Don't even have to buy nothing. Just, that was my, okay, this is me just doing something what I want to do. Just, you know, especially when you have kids. Like, moms, we need that. Like, that calm down, that just moment. So date yourself. Number 9, don't be lazy and make your own money. Don't be lazy and make your own money. Don't be lazy. That's in the Bible. Like, y'all, we can't be lazy. Like, I know it's a lot of times we be tired, but you cannot be lazy. Don't be lazy. Push yourself to get up and do it. Like, you lazy, you're not gonna make no money. Like, a lot of times we have to do things that we don't feel like doing. For a perfect example, you get up every day, Monday through Friday, to go clock into someone else's job. So if you can get up and do that, whatever it is that you have a dream to do, or something like your own business that you want to start, or whatever it is that you're hustling or doing for yourself on the side, get up and do it. Like, don't be sleeping till no 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Don't be like, you wasted time, and make your own money. I'm speaking from experience, ladies. Don't get comfortable with just being, because I used to be a stay-at-home mom, and wife, and you can only go to Target and Walmart so many times, honey. You can only go to the mall and do all these things so many times out of the week. You call your friends up, call everybody up, they at work, they don't get off, and you just sitting at home. Like, make your own money. Like, make your own money. And when you make your own money, if you're working, don't blow it. Don't spend it all. I think I said this earlier. I can't remember in what step, but put your money to the side. Oh, when I said count on nobody but you, depend on no one but you. Put your money to the side. Like, stack your own money. So if you do get something from somebody else, it's extra, and it's not, you know what I'm saying? And if you get it, they giving it to you, and it's not like you have to borrow. Now, we all done been in a place to where, yes, we have to maybe borrow money, or we need help with something, and that's fine, that's okay. But once you get afloat, once you know what I'm saying, you're actually out the water and you on your boat, you don't want to be back in the water again. So don't keep doing the same things. That don't create a cycle and keep doing the same thing. Like, start saving your money. And number 10, share your love naturally. Like, you have to learn how to love everybody. And I know it's very cliche, it's very just, but you have to learn how to love people that don't like you. You have to learn to love people that talk smack about you and smile in your face. You have to learn how to love people that wish you bad. Like, you just have to learn how to love everybody. I don't hate nobody, not a single soul. It's not, I don't learn that life is too short to sit here and want to wish and pray bad for somebody else. And I can say that because I never dealt with it until a certain situation happened. I recently got on Facebook and stuff, so I really never really had, I always was on Instagram, but I never had a lot of comments to where I had to go through like mean comments or bad comments. But I experienced a time to where I saw that a lot of people were saying like some very hurtful and hateful things about me when y'all didn't even know the situation. Like, y'all was not in my shoes. All y'all see or hear is one side of the story. And with all that being said, I still don't hate nobody. I still don't wish no one bad, because at the end of the day, God, he sits high and he looks low. And I'm not here to fight my own battles. I know it's a lot of people that look at my life and look at me now and be like, so that was said and that was said, but it ain't adding up. But I just love everyone. I don't hate nobody. If I see someone in the street or see someone, we are human. Life goes on. Just because something did not work out with the way that you wanted it to work out, don't mean that you have to bash that person. Does not mean that you have to hate that person. You can still be cordial and just keep it moving. And that's the type of person I am. I do not like drama. I do not like, don't push me in no corner. But I don't like drama. I don't like none of that stuff. Like, so you love me, you love me. You hate me, you hate me. I'ma still pray for you at the end of the day. So number 10 would be share your love naturally. And then once you share your love, it triggers back down to God love everyone. So no matter what you did, no matter how you did it, and just to say, like, all the disciples in the Bible, they were not angels. They was not, all of them did something. You know what I'm saying? Like, they was not perfect. Like, us as humans, I hate the fact that we look at someone else's life or look at a post that somebody put up, and then you automatically judge that person without even knowing that person personally, or without even getting that person's side of the story. Because it's always two sides of the story. And one thing about me, I ain't clearing nothing up. Like, nothing. Like, how you feel is how you feel. What you think is what you think. I know the truth. That would be it. So those are my 10 steps on how to activate self-love and just stay true to yourself, y'all. Like, everyone have their highs, everyone has their low. No one is better than no one else. We all are in this world, and we all, at the end of the day, we all trying to get to the same place, and that's to make it to heaven. And I'm not finna be jealous of you. I'm not finna fight you. I'm not finna hate you because you're making a decision with your life that you want to make. That's not for me to judge. That's for you and God to talk about. That's for you to talk about it with God. So I just follow my 10-step rules and just be like, you know what, Erica, is every day perfect? Absolutely not. Do I go through times when I be angry? Heck yeah. Like, do I go through times when I'm just water bag? Yes. Do I have times when I don't want to talk to nobody and I disappear? Absolutely. I feel better talking to my camera. I will talk and connect, and if you don't know me personally, you just don't know me personally. Like, I am a little mouse. Like, I be quiet. As my husband would say, I'm very mute. If you don't know me, I'm like a person of little words. I won't talk. But once I warm up to you or I get to know you, I'm like a whole podcast. Literally. Just know that you can make it through whatever you're going through. Every day is not perfect, but you will make it. As long as God allows you to open your eyes and wake up in the morning, you have a purpose, you have a place on this earth. You have something that God wants or needs you to do. You have people that he needs you to get in contact with, to touch, to reach out to help. And that's why I'm doing this video, because I felt like in my heart, I just wanted to share. If you made it to the end of this video, or if you made it through part 1 and part 2, I want to thank you so much for watching, and make sure you go ahead and click on that subscribe button and subscribe to your girl channel, and I will see you all in my next video.